Swazi Frontier is exactly what I ride mountain bikes for. It's hard to actually explain this event to outsiders who haven't done it before. People who have done it will know what I'm talking about. But I want to try and get up sections that are unrideable, but then see if I can ride them. I want to go down sections where my knuckles are a little bit tingly and white. This is an event for purists. What I mean by purists is mean that guys that have bought their mountain bike to ride mountain biking and nothing else.